Hello, welcome to Science Everywhere. We obviously have heard the terms plasma TVs, LCDs, and LEDs, and some of you may also be knowing the full forms of these. But very few know that what is the actual difference between all those. So today at Science Everywhere, I decided to tell you science lovers what exactly is the difference between all these. So for that, we need to go to the beginning of TVs themselves. The very first TVs that came out were the cathode ray TVs, which looked somewhat like this, and they used to display in black and white. The way these cathode ray TVs worked were there was an electron gun which used to shoot electrons. Further in the arrangement we can see a focusing coil which was used to focus the beam of electrons, and then there was an arrangement of two pairs of plates known as the X plates and the Y plates, and these were negatively and positively charged. And thus by fluctuating the charge on the plates we can deflect the electron to a certain extent to get our desirable image on the fluorescent screen, which was of course black and white, somewhat like this. Enough of olden times now, let's come to plasma TVs. Even this is similar. Instead of using those electrons, these TV now use beams of fluorescent light cells to create images. But where does the color come from? Well, those are not just any random fluorescent beams, but they are of three colors, or the three primary colors: red, blue and green. And thus, by adjusting the levels of intensities of those colors, we produce our desired color on the screen. Coming to LCDs. The LCDs use a CFL light source, and the main thing in an LCD is the display screen itself. This panel consists of two polarizers. Now what a polarizer does is it filters light in specific ways, letting only one orientation of light through. The first polarizer let only a vertical light beam to pass, and the other let a horizontal light beam to pass. But then no light will pass through and we won't see anything. Well, here's where the liquid comes in. This liquid is a natural liquid that will twist the plane of polarization of the light by 90 degrees and thus allowing us to see a clearer and sharper image. The only difference between LCDs and LEDs is the light source used. In LCDs, as I said, they use CFL light source, while in LEDs, of course, they use LEDs. Usage of LEDs also allows LEDs to be more thinner than LCDs. And now, time for a fun fact. LED TVs consumed approximately 35% less power than LCD TVs. Why? 1. Because they use LEDs and LEDs use less power than CFL. And 2. Because individual LEDs can be switched on or off as and when required. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video, comment on it, and do share these videos on various social networks so that people get to know what is actually the difference between all those. Until then, keep exploring.